I really feel I've developed a passion for the subject I'm doing and for the work I'm doing here at the moment. Sort of proved to me that this is what I want to go into in the future. Even though I'm a microbiologist, I've always been particularly interested in molecular biology, and I'm combining both here. My name's Rachel Kettles, and welcome to my placement year at the Centre for Environment, Fisheries and Aquaculture Science. There's a bit of a catch-22 where you can't get a job without experience and you can't get experience without a job. I hadn't really heard about the PTY scheme before I started at Surrey, and then I saw the range of placements available, and I was able to decide a bit later on that actually it would be a good thing to do, and luckily you can change this 4-year sandwich degree at any point. My placement is sort of half in the lab, half out of the lab. Within the lab I do things such as nucleic acid extractions, PCR, gel electrophoresis, and then when I'm outside the lab it's mostly things such as keeping on top of my lab book, doing research on the project and writing towards the report I have to produce at the end of the year.
It also provides us with the opportunity to train people and show them what the research environment is like. And we quite often find that students that come to us in an industrial placement also apply for a job later on, and those students then have a better idea of what we do here. They're more familiar with the work, and as a consequence it makes them a better candidate.
Now I feel I'd be a lot more able to work in a lab after university, which I don't think I'd feel able to do if I was going into a job straight from final year. I really think that the skills, the references and the contacts you gain on placement really give you an edge over other graduates when applying for jobs. And as well as that, I think it's given me the time and the perspective to decide what I want to do after university and decide whether I want to do a PhD in the future.